Welcome back to Skywalker. Today, let's explore Niagara Falls, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world, located on the border of New York and Ontario, Canada. Niagara Falls is actually made up of three separate waterfalls: Horseshoe Falls, the American Falls, and the smaller Bridal Veil Falls. Together, these falls pour over 3,100 tons of water per second, making it one of the most powerful waterfalls on Earth. Horseshoe Falls is the largest and most iconic, with its breathtaking curve that spans both the US and Canada. The history of Niagara Falls is just as fascinating as the view. It formed over 12,000 years ago during the last ice age, and for centuries it has been a source of inspiration for explorers, artists, and daredevils. Many thrill-seekers have braved the falls in barrels or tightropes with varying degrees of success. There's no shortage of ways to experience the falls. Take a ride on the famous Maid of the Mist, a boat tour that takes you right into the heart of the misty spray, or get an up-close view from the Cave of the Winds, where you can feel the raw power of the water on wooden walkways. For those who prefer a broader perspective, the Niagara Falls Observation Tower offers panoramic views of all three falls. And don't miss the nightly illumination of the falls, where vibrant lights bring the cascading waters to life. Niagara Falls State Park, the oldest state park in the US, surrounds the falls and offers hiking trails, picnic areas, and stunning vistas. You can also learn more about the falls' geology and history at the Niagara Gorge Discovery Center. Whether you visit for adventure, relaxation, or simply to take in the natural beauty, Niagara Falls is an unforgettable destination. Have you been there? Share your favorite memory of Niagara Falls in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for joining us here at Skywalker, and we'll see you next time.